suspects. We're joining ground pursuit.
This is bad.
Grace Andrews and Jim Halsey. This is Lieutenant Estridge with the New Mexico State Police Department. How y'all doing?
Listen, we're really not too good, okay? The guy that shot that cop is back there in the trailer park that we just pulled out of off of that dirt road.
Well, now you see, I have an officer down. I have a witness says that you did it, so you'll pull your car over. If you feel like talking about it, we can talk about it then.
Okay, what do we do?
Tell him that you didn't do it.
Listen to me. I did not shoot that cop, okay? I didn't shoot him. We didn't kill that family. We haven't done anything. When are you gonna believe us?
Now, you don't make the rules around here, you see. I do. So, why don't you just pull over so we'll chat about it before this thing gets out of control, okay?
We can't. He's close. We can't pull over here. It's not safe.
Why don't you just pull the car over, or I'll have my men help you do it.
We cannot pull over here. You don't understand.
Suspects are still not stopping, sir.
I don't give a rat's cockbag how you do it. You will pull them over and stop them right now. Over!
Oh my God!
I gotta pull.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Lieutenant, ground is firing on suspects.
Hold her steady.
Okay, we're pulling over. Please just stop shooting.
Air 2 to ground, you got another vehicle approaching fast from behind. It's a late model black Trans Am.
It's him, Jim.
Somebody talk to me. Have you pulled over the suspects yet? What the fuck is going on?
You got a five-finger fucking me.
Keep going.
Thanks, I can't go any faster.
Just drive.
Can't go any fucking faster.
Where's he going?
Come on. We gotta go. He might come back.